Hi guys, Kat here from WTI. Here I'm wearing the Adidas Core Waist Pack. I actually really like this bag because I am on the go all the time. So I like having a bag this size that I can throw all my essentials in for the day, head out the door, and know that everything's safe in here. This bag fits wallets, phones, keys. You can throw a water bottle in here. It's really such a good size that you can throw all your essentials. And I really like the fact that it actually has two zippers, one in the front here and one at the very top. So it has plenty of storage as well, which is great. And I'm currently wearing the fanny pack like a side bag. It's actually really comfortable to wear, but you can also adjust the straps here and you can adjust it tight enough where it can also fit around your waist. So guys, this bag has so many possibilities. It's great for rushing out the door, or if you're active like me, taking this rollerblading to the gym, really whatever you want. You guys won't regret it. And that's my point of view.